Hi guys, welcome back, I'm Paul. In this video I'm going to deep dive into what I think is an Ai DePIN Gem. I believe this project has huge potential. With a market cap of just 14 million currently, the project I'm going to talk about is OpenGPU. I will cover OpenGPU's tokenomics, their unique auction-based system which allows GPU providers to bid on tasks, the future outlook, and also whether I think 100x gains for OpenGPU is possible in this bull run. And as always, the information in this video is meant for education and entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Okay, now let's begin. About OpenGPU. OpenGPU is a decentralized platform that leverages underutilized GPU resources for AI and computing and aims to connect individuals who have idle GPU power with those who need it. The OpenGPU platform is looking to fix the scalability and high cost issues faced by centralized computing providers with its decentralized architecture, and leveraging a peer-to-peer network is able to separate itself from the centralized systems. oGPU is a native digital cryptocurrency token of the OpenGPU ecosystem and is primarily used as a currency to pay for computational services, as a reward to node operators who contribute GPU power, and free staking tokens with users earning ETH as rewards. What makes OpenGPU really stand out for me from its competitors like Node AI or Render is its workflow model. Rather than renting GPU by the hour like say Node AI's model, OpenGPU works by providers bidding on a task or job. This means once a task is secured, it's worked on until completed, with no time constraints. The OpenGPU project was founded in 2017 and currently has a market cap of just 14 million, which does bring it at high risk but also the potential for high return as well, when compared to a more established company like Render, who have a market cap of around 1.8 billion currently. However, what brings me confidence in this project, given its low market cap, is the OpenGPU team announced recently on X that they will be listed on Certec, who are a leading security firm in the crypto space, and the post read as follows. Certec, the leading security firm in the crypto space, has recognized OpenGPU chain. This listing highlights our commitment to security, transparency, and investor confidence. Being listed on Certec means our platform has undergone rigorous security audits, ensuring a safer and more trustworthy environment for all of our users. This is a significant milestone for OpenGPU, reinforcing our dedication to building a secure and robust ecosystem. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to grow and innovate. Delving a little deeper, if we visit the Certec website, we can see that they have rated OpenGPU a score of 83 out of 100, based on a number of factors, including fundamentals, operations, community, and more, further highlighting a level of confidence for investors. oGPU, Supply and Tokenomics. OpenGPU launched with a total max supply of 21 million tokens and has a current circulating supply of 21 million tokens, meaning 100% of the token supply is in circulation, which is really good from an investor's perspective. oGPU is a native digital cryptocurrency token of the OpenGPU ecosystem and is primarily used as currency to pay for computational services, also as a reward to node operators who contribute GPU power, and as a means for settling transaction fees that fund the network maintenance and development. One really good tokenomics feature I have to mention and think makes OpenGPU stand out from its competitors is they have implemented a max wallet limit of 2%, which means investors can only have a maximum of 2% of the oGPU token supply in a wallet, which is designed to prevent market manipulation. As an example, if an investor was able to accumulate a large percentage of tokens, say 10% of total supply, there would be a risk they could dump all these tokens onto the market at any time. So this 2% cap stops this from happening. The initial token distribution of oGPU is as follows. 90% is allocated to liquidity, 5% is allocated to partnerships, and 5% is allocated to centralized exchanges. And no team tokens were included in the initial token allocation on launch. They also work on a 5% buy and 5% sell tax revenue model. And it should be noted that OpenGPU is currently only available to buy on Uniswap decentralized exchange, so it will require some knowledge of using Uniswap to buy the token. But centralized listings should hopefully be available by end of the year. How OpenGPU works. The OpenGPU chain uses the Ethereum blockchain and Ethereum's smart contract functionality to automate the network's core operations that include executing of transactions. But the ultimate goal for OpenGPU is to transition their own custom Layer 1 blockchain, which will help them scale far beyond the current capabilities of the Ethereum blockchain. The architecture that makes up the OpenGPU network consists of a number of interconnected layers that include the infrastructure layer, that consists of the physical GPUs contributed by node providers worldwide, the blockchain layer, which captures all transactions, task completions, ensuring transparency and security, the application layer, which features a dual-sided platform made up of a customer portal for submitting AI tasks and a node provider interface for managing contributed resources. Finally, the orchestration layer that uses a sophisticated balanced scheduler, which is pivotal to the network as it matches tasks with computing nodes, taking into account node performance and current network load. The API server is also core to the network's operations as it manages the flow of data and tasks between customers, node providers, and the blockchain. And the API server is equipped with a security layer that leverages cloud AI to analyze AI scripts, eliminating potential security threats. OpenGPU Staking. Staking is a crucial part of the OpenGPU chain, and users who stake their oGPU tokens help to secure the network via its proof-of-stake architecture, and in return receive ETH rewards, with the amount of rewards received being dependent on a number of factors, including the number of tokens staked, stake duration, i.e. the length of time tokens are staked for, and the GPU level, meaning the amount of computational contribution given to the network. We can see by looking at the staking dashboard a list of the top 10 stakers for the mainnet pool, including the GPU model, staked amount and stake dates. And if we then click Stake Now, it gives you the option to start staking. Some other key features which qualify for staking rewards include daily activation of GPU, whereby stakers who actively connect to the decentralized application each day get rewarded, and the reason for this feature is to ensure ongoing engagement to the network. Boosting is another way participants can increase their rewards returns, and this involves executing a transaction every 24 hours. So by doing this helps to boost their position within the rewards pool, with the end goal of gaining more rewards. So by implementing all these features, OpenGPU believes it increases its user engagement and network security, helping to further contribute to the long-term success of the network. Unique auction-based system. OpenGPU works on an auction-based system, whereby when a task is posted, GPU providers from around the world compete to offer their services, with the best suited provider being selected based on criteria such as cost, performance, and efficiency, allowing for a fully open market approach. It basically simplifies the whole process for users wanting to access GPU resources, and they do this by OpenGPU handling the complex details including bidding and execution, so users only need to supply the platform with the specific task and budget, which is impressive. OpenGPU is able to do this full process handling through a modified Snowflake algorithm that ensures tasks are executed with integrity and transparency, allowing users to focus on their core objectives that could be training AI models, processing big data, or rendering high-definition video content. So what this all means is by enabling users to compete in an open auction system, they can get the most cost-effective solution available to them, and in turn providers can maximize profits by offering an efficient service. OpenGPU versus competitors. When comparing the ecosystem of OpenGPU with some of its main competitors in the marketplace, we can get a better understanding of the pros and cons of each network. And in the attached graphic, we will look at OpenGPU versus Render, BitTensor, IONET, and Akash. So looking at the graphic, there are a number of features to compare. I will focus on scalability, AI training interface, and AI model execution. Firstly, looking at scalability, we can see OpenGPU offers infinite scalability, whereas Render, IONET, and Akash offer limited peer-to-peer renting, and BitTensor is limited by subnet slots. Next, when it comes to the AI training interface, which allows users to interact with an interface in an intelligent manner using AI, OpenGPU offers this feature, whereas the rest of the competitors don't. Lastly, AI model execution is a process or program trained on a set of data to make certain decisions without human intervention. And OpenGPU, Render, and BitTensor all have this feature, but IONET and Akash don't. So as we can see, based on all the key features listed, OpenGPU does come out on top when compared to its competitors, and at least on paper does make a good platform for anyone from AI researchers, developers, to even gamers. OpenGPU Roadmap. OpenGPU states on their white paper an ambitious roadmap, outlining a clear strategy for innovation and expansion, which includes transitioning to a custom blockchain. While currently deployed on the Ethereum blockchain, the aim will be to transition to their own custom blockchain to enable higher throughput and a solid foundation for network growth. Enhanced security protocols, so as the network evolves, they can introduce the more advanced encryption techniques and AI-driven anomaly detection systems to safeguard any threats. Also investing in the community with developer tools, education resources and partnership programs. And lastly, regulatory compliance, which means they will work closely with regulatory bodies to navigate the complexities of global operations as well. Key points of OpenGPU. OpenGPU has several benefits that make it a great AI platform, including fair token launch. OpenGPU was launched without any pre-sales or team token allocations, making it fair and decentralized platform. Unique auction-based system. When a task is posted, GPU providers from around the world can compete to offer their services, allowing for a fully open market approach. Good tokenomics. 100% of the token supply is in circulation, which is good from investors' perspective, as no risk of dilution. Low market cap. OpenGPU, in my opinion, does feel undervalued based on its current market cap, but as an investor, it's not without big risks, given that they need to achieve what they have set out in the white paper. OpenGPU future outlook. I believe OpenGPU does stand out in the ever-increasing GPU resources AI computing space, with its unique auction-based system that allows providers to bid on GPU tasks rather than renting GPU per hour, like its competitors. To answer the question of whether this project has 100x potential, I think it's too early to say, but with a market cap of only 14 million and the AI and DePIN narrative being strong right now, I do believe it has real potential to get to the billions market cap, like Render in this bull run. It should be noted though, with OpenGPU having such a low market cap, it does bring with it very high risk for investors, when compared to say a more established company like Render, who have a market cap of around 1.8 billion. So something to be aware of before considering investing. So with all this said, I think OpenGPU offers something unique to the AI and DePIN market, with its unique auction-based system for GPU tasks. And I look forward to watching to see how the team can bring the promises it has made in its white paper into reality over the next few years. As always, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, I think you like this video next, and please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay notified when I post my next video. Thank you.